2010 Kia Soul, 2-litre engine. I changed the 4 spark plugs. Don't mind the mess in the engine, it's actually rust check, prevents rust. Where I live, you need to prevent your rust. Plugs are really easy to get at in this one. You're just right along here. You want to change them one plug at a time. You won't mess up your wires, you won't get mixed up. Easiest way, you can see that spark plug is not very good. I like to use the genuine Kia parts, especially for something like a spark plug. So I'll just drop the plug into the spark plug socket and I'll hand tighten it. You don't need anti-seize on these plugs. If they're silvery, you won't need it. I'll just spin this on carefully by hand and I'll tighten it with the socket wrench.